Hey everybody, in today's video we are showing you how we can fully optimize Opera GX for gaming, faster loading, lower CPU and RAM usage and smoother gameplay. So let's just get started. So for that you can start by opening up Opera GX. You can access your Opera GX browser on your device first. And within here, once you are here, look out for this three dot and click on it. And a sidebar setup opens up. You can look out for this option of GX control and enable this option right here, and you can set the RAM limiter and CPU limiter here, and that should prevent the browser from stealing the power while gaming. Apart from that, you can enable network limiter. So you can look out for network limiter here as well. So you can scroll down, find the option for network limiter, or you can just go over to your settings and open it up. And within there, look out for your network limiter. So type in network, and you can just go over and turn on that and set the download speed until 1 to 2 Mbps while gaming. And apart from that, you can turn off any kind of ad blocker if you do not need it. So for that, you can just go over and look out for extensions. So if there is any extensions available, go to extensions. And if you've used any kind of ad blocker, you can just go over and turn it off. You can look out for the toggle option and turn it off. And even remove it or disable it if you do not use any kind of extensions there. Anything you do not use, you can just go over and disable it. Apart from that, you can clear the junk and cache. For that, look out for your settings and click on it. And within your settings, you can go to privacy and security. And from here, go over, delete browsing data. And you can select this option of cookies and other site data and cached images and files, and select this option of delete data and confirm it up. This should speed up the browser significantly. Apart from that, you can close any of the unused tabs automatically. You can close it up by clicking on this cross option right here, anything that you do not use, and that should also fix the Opera will freeze the tabs you're not using to save the RAM. And apart from that, what you can do is you can turn off animations as well. So you can go over, search for animations. And within animations, you can just go over and turn this option off right here so that you can reduce the CPU usage. And that's it. That's how we optimize the Opera GX for gaming. Now your games should run smoother with zero lag from the browser. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.